Alright, my people. So we're putting on the door clip panels on the doors, on the door panels. So you need this is what the kit comes with. These little metal things and these little plastic plastic things. So I already got one over here. We already fitted it. Alright, so you can see that. So there it goes like that. And then the doors, and those go in the door over here. Right here. So you gotta make sure you have all these clips off. I gotta take that clip off. And I got another clip here, 3, 4. I got 4 clips on this door. She's knocking out the clips over there. And then you'll be able to cut out the, put the door panel in. But before you put the door panel in, make sure you take off the hinges and all that stuff. It's already pre-cut where it needs to be. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. This is what the door looks like. It's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna look freaking nice. Alright, YouTube. So here it is. Door panel install. Here's the handle. Here's the handle for up here. And this handle is the window handle. I just gotta install. But that'll be a little later. The hard part is over. That's what it's looking like with the black carpet. Let me go around so you can see it. That baby looking clean in the mobile. Alright, YouTube, so this is what's going on. I got the clips in. Actually, you see the tape. I'll put some tape on there instead of some adhesive glue, because I just want to make sure that these are in the right place. So there's a long line right here, and there's a lot of room for wiggle. So if these don't match up to the door, you should be able to move them around. That's why I haven't put the glue on there yet, but they will have glue, adhesive glue, for materials like this. The glue's over there somewhere, but that's why I have tape right now, just to make sure everything lines up. You want to line it up real good before you install it all the way. The holes, I pre-cut them for the window, the vent window, and the door. That have been pre-cut. There's the door panel, the driver's side door panel, and that's where we are. Stay tuned. Wish me luck. Alright, before I get asked this question, so here's the door. It's already been installed. Everything looking good. So you see this bump? That's a handle. There's another one up here somewhere. Right here. Here. And then right here. So when you cut the outside of it, baby, when you cut the behind it, so what I just do is just make an X down and across. I'm not gonna do it with one hand and then hold the phone with the other hand, but that's what I'm gonna do. After I cut it, I'll show you guys. And then you put the handles in. All right, so self-explanatory. I know it might not be for some people, but it is pretty simple. Don't cut the holes before. You just want to make sure that everything lines up. That's the reason why you don't cut the holes before. So here it is. All right, see you guys. So here's a video on what it looks like. So you see how you can't see the X anymore, but there's an X, but it's perfectly, like, sometimes I've seen people that cut the hole before they put it on the door and they have a big old gap. And to be honest, that doesn't matter, because this will cover it. Well, actually it probably won't. Yeah, see, it needs to be perfect. So that X that I put on there is perfectly able to cover that. If you made it any bigger than that, then you would just pretty much ruin your door panel, because you would have X everywhere. So just be careful when cutting. Do it slow, take your time. And then when you put the door in here, I'll show you real quick. I'm not gonna put the doors on yet because I'm gonna clean up the door panels or the door handles. But I just stick it in there, make sure everything lines up. And then you have a little screw that goes in here. Screw it on, and that's it. You hear that? That's the door. All right. If you have any questions, man, please let me know. Or if I did something wrong, please let me know. But I'm doing the best I can with the knowledge that I've acquired over the years.